Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
A cooking show, Culinary Expedition Through America. This is just a pretend. We don't imply anything or anyone. Let's get started.
Welcome back, dear viewers, to another episode of our beloved cooking show, where we explore the vibrant tapestry of American cuisine. Today, we have an absolute treat lined up for you as we delve into the delicious and diverse flavors that make American food so iconic. Joining me in the kitchen is the incomparable Chef Sarah, whose culinary skills never fail to impress.
Thank you for the warm welcome. I'm thrilled to be here and share some of my favorite American-inspired dishes with all of you.
We're equally excited to have you, Sarah. So let's dive right into the culinary adventure. What tantalizing creations will we be cooking up today?
Well, we're going to start off with a tribute to the Pacific Northwest with a mouth-watering dish of cedar-planked salmon. We'll infuse the salmon with flavors of fresh herbs and citrus, then grill it on a cedar plank to impart a subtle smokiness.
That sounds absolutely divine. I can already imagine the flavors dancing on my palate. What's next on our culinary journey?
Next up, we'll be paying homage to the vibrant flavors of the Southwest with a hearty dish of carne asada tacos. We'll marinate the steak in a zesty blend of spices and citrus juices, then grill it to perfection and serve it up with all the classic fixings.
I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. And what delightful treat will we be wrapping up our feast with?
To satisfy our sweet tooth, we'll be indulging in a decadent slice of Mississippi mud pie. We'll whip up a rich chocolate ganache filling, layer it with a velvety chocolate mousse, and top it all off with a generous dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of toasted pecans.
Sarah, you're spoiling us rotten with these incredible dishes. Before we get started, do you have any pearls of wisdom to share with our viewers who might want to recreate these recipes at home?
Of course. When preparing cedar-planked salmon, be sure to soak the cedar plank in water for at least an hour beforehand to prevent it from burning on the grill. And for carne asada tacos, don't skimp on the marinade time. Letting the meat marinate overnight will result in maximum flavor.
Fantastic tips, Sarah. Now, without further ado, let's roll up our sleeves and get cooking. Hummy. Yep, and there you have it. Folks, a culinary journey across America celebrating the rich tapestry of flavors that define American cuisine. A heartfelt thank you to Chef Sarah for guiding us through this delicious adventure.
It was my absolute pleasure. I hope everyone at home feels inspired to get creative in the kitchen and explore the wonderful world of American food.
That's all the time we have for today, but be sure to join us next time for more culinary delights and mouth-watering creations. Until then, happy cooking and bon appetit! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.